Dear customer, we appreciate your purchase and assure you that you have made the right investment. How would you like to skyrocket your affiliate commissions super fast? Affiliate marketing has made businesses millions and ordinary people millionaires. Also, when it comes to monetization, affiliate marketing has been the marketer's bread and butter for as long as we can remember. The practice is as simple as it gets. Promote another company's product and get paid in commissions for sales closed. Most importantly, it's significantly less time-consuming when compared to other marketing methods, and it enables you to enhance your paychecks from the comfort of your own home. And as more businesses are going digital, advertisers and brands are also on the lookout for affiliates to partner with. That's why affiliate marketing has witnessed a boost since the COVID-19 outbreak. But affiliate marketing is not that easy. And affiliate work may be a tough one. It's not always stock photo style work from a Starbucks or on a hammock on the Virgin Islands, especially not in the midst of the coronavirus crisis. With so many niches, a number of marketing angles, a variety of products, and a wide range of affiliate marketing verticals, finding the best one might seem like a complex task. To see success with affiliate marketing and make the kind of money that you want to make, you need to follow a proven roadmap to success. You need to know what's working today, not what used to work. Hence, to help you get started on the right foot, we have put together everything with step-by-step instructions in our App Income Training Kit HD video course upgrade package that will show you exactly what you need to do to maximize your profits from your affiliate promotions. Presenting App Income Training Kit HD Video Course Upgrade Package. Inside this, you'll get Module Number 1, 30 chapters of step-by-step training videos, which are the continuation videos of the basic package, and will show you exactly how to take your affiliate marketing business off the ground and start generating life-changing income. Everything is screen recorded and well explained. We have covered everything we think you need to know. Module Number 2, Professionally Designed PowerPoints. These 15 high-quality PowerPoint slides contain excellent strategies to help you with your affiliate marketing endeavors. These are prepared after extensive research and advice from the best marketers in the industry. After going through our extensive package, you'll learn everything about getting started with affiliate marketing, like choosing the right niches and products, and getting traffic to making sales that can be the difference in a huge 6 or even 7-figure income, and not making money at all. Just click on the button below and grab your App Income Training Kit HD Video Training Upgrade Package at the lowest prices. Take action below, now!